Let's go! Baby bingo!
Hello kids, today we are going on a fun house tour to learn about different rooms and the things we use in them every day. Welcome to the living room. Let's look around and discover all the things we can find here. This is a soft sofa. We sit and relax on it. This is a TV. We watch cartoons and shows on it. This is a table. We keep things on it. This is a cozy carpet. It makes the floor soft. These are curtains. They cover the windows. This is a lamp. It lights up the room. This is a flower vase. It holds beautiful flowers. This is a TV cabinet. It supports the TV and stores things. This is a remote. We use it to change channels. Welcome to the bedroom. This is a cozy place where we sleep and rest. Let's explore it. This is a bed. We sleep on it. This is a pillow. It keeps our head comfortable. These are cushions. They are soft and cozy. This is a blanket. It keeps us warm. This is a wardrobe. We keep our clothes in it. This is a side table. We keep small things in it. This is an air conditioner. It keeps the room cool. This is the AC remote. We use it to control AC. Welcome to the kitchen. This is where we cook yummy food. Let's explore it together. This is a refrigerator. It keeps our food fresh and cold. This is a gas stove. We use it to cook food. This is an oven. We use it to bake delicious treats. This is an air fryer. It cooks food with hot air. These are utensils. We use them for cooking and eating. This is a mixer. It helps us blend and mix ingredients. This is a toaster. It makes bread crispy and crunchy. This is an electric chimney. It keeps the kitchen clean and fresh. This is a sink. We wash dishes and vegetables here. This is a dishwasher. It helps clean our dishes. Welcome to the bathroom. This is where we wash and clean. Let's explore it together. This is a wash basin. We wash our hands and face here. This is a tap. Water comes out when we turn it on. This is a bathtub. We can take a relaxing bath in it. This is a bucket. It holds water for bathing. This is a commode. We use it when we need to use the toilet. This is a mug. We use it to pour water. This is hand wash dispenser. It gives us soap to clean our hands. This is soap. It keeps our hands clean. This is body wash. We use it while taking bath. This is a mirror. We can see ourselves in it. This is a toothbrush. We use it to clean our teeth. This is a toothpaste. It helps keep our teeth healthy and shiny. This is a towel. We use it to dry ourselves after washing. These are bath toys. They make bath time fun. Welcome to the dining room. This is where we sit together and eat delicious meals. Let's explore it. This is a dining table. We sit here to eat our meals. This is a plate. We put our food on it. This is a bowl. We use it for soup, cereal, and other foods. This is a glass. We use it to drink water and juice. This is a fruit bowl. It holds fresh and tasty fruits. Thanks for exploring the house with me. Remember to like, subscribe, and join us for more amazing learning adventures. See you soon.